All right. What I'd like you guys to try in this drawing is begin to talk about figure-ground relationships. So we have the figures, the objects, and then we have the ground, everything around it. So we're going to kind of flip our thinking here, and we're going to be more concerned with drawing everything that isn't an object. All right. So if you have a more complicated still life than I have here, you might be more interested in it. And especially if you have holes in certain objects like the handle here, and everything should be overlapping. So you create one entire shape here. So as much as possible, try to see this as a shape that can be drawn, all right? So it'll help you kind of see the edge of this, come down here. There's a little tiny bit of space in here around the apple, then up the vase. So think of this shape right in here as something you draw rather than just what's left over, the paper. So you're going to kind of have to go back and forth, seeing the edge here and refining it, erasing it. But then at the same time, really think about looking at this as a drawn shape, and the white of the paper is actually what's left over in the drawn shape of the object. So you kind of have to flip around and maybe try to see what shape this is around it. Okay, that's going to make for stronger composition. So, and actually draw it in. I want you to draw in this entire negative shape around the objects and look at this shape in relation to the objects to make adjustments. So this contour needs to come out from here, come out just a little bit, make some adjustments. And again, I want you to spend some time on this. Let's do at least one 45-minute drawing here. Okay, so I can keep refining that edge, but see these places that are positive shapes, the handle in here, what shape is inside there, and then physically draw this in. And again, we're not coming up here, we don't have any lines inside. We're having a complete connected shape right here. And really what we're trying to see is the shape around this, the negative shape. The stuff that we usually just leave as leftover. I want you to positively think of this as a drawn shape. And then you're going to adjust the edge according to this negative shape here. Okay, thank you.